Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on HUAWEI Nova 11 Pro. To do this, we'll need to launch App Gallery. In the top search, enter Microsoft Edge. Here, install this app. When it's ready, click on the open. First thing during the setup is introduction. You can read through it if you want to learn some interesting features about this browser. I'm gonna skip it. Now skip another introduction, and here we can customize a homepage with wallpaper, most visited sites, and also a newsfeed. Let's click on next. To sign in, to turn on synchronization, if you want you can do it by clicking on add account. I'm gonna skip it with not now. Make Microsoft Edge your default browser. Here, accept or disagree with the data sharing, and then click on confirm. Now the browser is ready, we can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.